On a distant planet orbiting twin stars, simple life forms emerge from ancient oceans, sparked by cosmic radiation and chemical reactions. From these microbial beginnings, evolution ignites the long journey toward intelligence and civilization. After eons of evolution, sentient beings appear, creatures with hands, minds, and curiosity. They craft tools from crystal and bone, learning to shape their environment and communicate with gestures, symbols, and eventually, sound. Around firelit shelters, they tell stories of the sky. Myths blossom, knowledge passes through generations. They begin to measure time, track stars, and wonder about their place in the cosmos, planting the seeds of science and spirituality. Mastery of fire leads to metallurgy, farming, and the birth of civilization. Tribal communities transform into cities, connected by trade and conquest. They harness wind, water, and muscle to power early machines and develop primitive energy systems. Philosophy flourishes. Alien thinkers explore ethics, logic, and the nature of existence. They create the first written languages, establish laws, and lay the groundwork for systematic scientific inquiry, gradually replacing myth with method. With writing comes knowledge preservation. Inventions like printing and record stones allow ideas to travel far beyond borders. Literacy surges. A renaissance of innovation begins, and technology accelerates through shared learning. The alien industrial age roars to life. Steam and combustion engines revolutionize industry and transport. Societies urbanize, economies boom, and the demand for resources drives exploration and exploitation of their world's crust and oceans. Electricity becomes the lifeblood of progress. Power grids stretch across continents. From glowing cityscapes to electrified farms, alien civilization enters a new era, fueled by fossil energy, driven by invention, and plagued by inequality. With growth comes unrest. Political systems fracture. Ideologies clash. Movements rise demanding equity, autonomy, and sustainability. These growing pains ignite reforms and revolutions that reshape governments and prioritize collective well-being. Telecommunications and computing networks connect the planet. Information flows at light speed. Artificial intelligence emerges, aiding governance, predicting disasters, and unifying scattered peoples with a shared digital consciousness. Facing planetary limits, they transition from fossil fuels to renewable and exotic energy sources. Solar collectors in orbit, geothermal farms, and controlled fusion reactors mark a massive leap in power capability, pushing them toward Kardashev Type 1. Cities transform into eco-technological marvels. Anti-gravity transport, atmospheric processors, and vertical arcologies rise. Carbon is scrubbed from skies. Waste becomes resource. Nature and technology finally begin to harmonize. Education evolves into a lifelong immersive experience. Holographic instructors and neural implants provide knowledge at will. Every citizen becomes a scientist, artist, or engineer. Learning fuels innovation like never before. Medical breakthroughs conquer disease and aging. Nanobots repair cells. Genetic rewriting erases inherited flaws. Health becomes a right, not a privilege. Lifespans stretch, and minds remain sharp for centuries, accelerating progress further. Their civilization doesn't just preserve nature, it heals it. Advanced drones reforest deserts, clean oceans, and reintroduce extinct life. Ecosystems are revitalized. They become stewards of their biosphere, not its exploiters. The depths of their world yield new frontiers. Undersea and subterranean cities extract rare elements and energy sources. These vast underground networks power orbital infrastructure, decreasing surface strain and diversifying survival options. Their gaze turns outward. Asteroid mining begins. Solar collectors orbit their star, beaming power to the surface. Massive infrastructure grows in space, and the first whispers of a Dyson swarm echo through their scientific halls. The entire planet is now networked and optimized. Weather manipulation prevents disasters. Tectonic stresses are relieved proactively. Global energy output is monitored and managed, finally approaching the full energy potential of their homeworld. With complete planetary energy mastery, the moment arrives. They become a Type 1 civilization. They've tamed weather, oceans, and orbit. What began as sparks in the ocean now shines as a beacon to the stars, ready to step into the galactic arena. If you enjoyed exploring the infinite possibilities of the multiverse with us, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-bending journeys, and let's keep reaching for the stars together.